If your Bosch dishwasher isn't drying properly, there are several possible reasons for this issue. A depleted rinse aid, an overcrowded dishwasher, or improper unloading of the dishwasher can all contribute to this problem. To address these issues, you can try refilling the rinse aid compartment, which is usually located on the dishwasher door and labeled as such. Simply pour in the rinse aid and restart the wash cycle to see if this resolves the issue. Additionally, reducing the number of dishes in the dishwasher racks can also help. Check the racks to ensure they are not overloaded, aiming for no more than 2/3 capacity. When unloading the dishwasher, it's essential to do so in the correct order. Start with the bottom rack, as unloading the top rack first can cause water to drip down and wet the dishes on the lower racks. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue with your Bosch dishwasher not drying properly.